Consumers really surprised economists. The retail sales number popped to 0.7%. That was a beat. Let's bring in Dan Deming at KKM Financial. And how critical and important was this beat?
Well, I think it was important, Angie, because it kept the positive sentiment in the market. We had some of the numbers coming out in the previous weeks weren't particularly positive. And, now we're starting to see a little bit of a shift in some of the consumer activity. I think there was a mixed bag on the data that came out last Friday. But overall, I think it was viewed as a positive type of trend, and the market reacted positively to it. So, I think it's important as we move into what will be considered the big shopping season, and the market will be watching that very closely.
What are you watching this week? There's earnings news as well as economic news.
Yeah, I mean, big earnings week. Now, the next few weeks will be, I think, the big driver for the market. And, and the banks, after a little bit of a slow start last week, Angie, we did see a pretty positive reaction in the financial sector. So that's setting the tone here. A couple of that with, there's going to be a lot of Fed speak throughout the next few weeks that the market's going to be very closely watching as to how they're going to enunciate potential moves in the future. And I think the other big thing here, Angie, is the fact that we're getting back above some key technical levels in the market, particularly when you look at the 50-day moving average and the S&P 500 getting back above that.
What do you think here, Dan? We recently had a trader on the show calling this the most hated rally, but are we in for another breakout?
I think I do. I honestly do. I think that, the market weathered a difficult September and really a difficult third quarter when you look at the price action, and October can have some volatile periods historically. But overall, the fact that the market was able to hold in there, not give up too much ground. And now we're seeing the trend shifting back towards the upside towards the end of the year. I think it's setting a tone for a positive end of the year.
We always appreciate you, Dan. Thanks so much.
Thanks, Angie.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.